Sagittarius. So, magandang umaga po. Welcome to Scorp's Work Tarot. So, Sagittarius, kamusta po? Shout out po ako sa mga OFW who are watching right now. Salamat po. Reading today is for August 22 to 31. Knock knock, Sagittarius. Welcome, welcome. Hope everybody is okay. OFW din po ako, kaya mayroong special place ang OFW sa aking channel. Okay, let's see kung ano ang energy. Sagittarius. Ano ang niluluto ni Sagittarius? The Magician. So it's all about manifesting. Money, feasting. Feast, celebration. Yeah. So we are trying to create. We are creating. All of us are creator. Sagittarius, August 22 to 31. So ano ang ginagawa ni Sagittarius? Work related. Meron kang grand idea, bagong invention about sustainability or about new design na pagkakakitaan ng kumpanya ng malaki o pagkakakitaan ng negosyo or bagong negosyo mo. So moving fast, wag mahangin daw. Keep it to yourself. Well, that's not necessarily keep it to yourself, but sometimes excitement, okay? Excitement sometimes can bring headache and trouble. So, magician, you are doing that, nag-alchemy ka. So, maraming ano yan, there's an pros and con. If you are trying to create something, iba yung level of energy mo. You are very fiery. Correct? You feel invincible. So August 22 to 31, working so hard. Alam mo yung patience, hindi ano yan, hindi matatakasan. It's part of any journey. You're coming from that difficult and painful heart space. Work related, ito yung tipong rejection. Agree? Rejection, nobody believes in you. It's a heartache. Iniwan ka ng boyfriend or girlfriend because you don't have time. It's a heartache. It's all started from the news. You left somebody. You left things na it's no longer serving the purpose. Kaya tinapos mo, Sagittarius. Tingnan natin kung ano itong life story ni Sagittarius. August 22 to 31. Meron bang ganyan? You work so hard for it. Kung ano man itong minanifest mo na ito, or if this is still ongoing or still on the embryonic or early stage of the process. Is it because you're moving too fast or you are moving too slow? The energy around you is moving too slow, or it's either they're moving too fast. It works both ways, and that can strain other elements of the situation, mga tao nakapaligid sa iyo, pamilya, and even your relationship. Agree? Meron ba ganyan, Sagittarius? Tignan natin. I'm curious on this. You cut loose of something because of this grand plan of yours. This is a very ambitious. Anything about the magician is very ambitious. It's transforming something on the abstract level and bringing them to reality. Kaya nandito yung Seven of Pentacles. You know, wala kang visibility of what's happening underneath that soil, the surface. Nakikita mo lang yung on the surface. But you knew na under that soil, there's magical things happen. That's how the magician works. And you are doing that. Ito yan, oh. Ayan siya, oh. Okay? Nag-alchemy. Okay? That's something happening underneath the surface. Underneath the surface is this pentacle. Yan siya. And this is the one. How can I, yeah. Okay? If I'm gonna do this, yeah, okay. That's how it is. You're doing your alchemy. Yan tayo yan. Sagittarius. That's how we continue our journey on this earth. Yeah. So, ituloy natin yung what happened. There was this heartache. There was this heartache and disconnect. Tignan natin kung ano yung magician na ginagawa ni Sagittarius. Yes, so meron mang ganyan ngayon Sagittarius, August 22 to 31. This thing doesn't happen only yesterday. It's a painful process. Okay? So, yeah, shout out po tayo OFW, mga kaibigan. So, ang energy this past few weeks after the Mercury retrograde is more action orientated. I can see it. So, yung mga na-delay, the delays that had happening in the past few weeks, kasama na rin siguro yung bagyo. Okay, nakaka-delay yan in nature. Sometimes it gives us the time to pause. And you are very independent. Okay, you are very independent. Ito yung mga taong nasa prime of their career. They're very grounded. They just know what they want. Hindi ito yung tipong superficial. Walang masyadong drama. But they can easily get hurt as well. Merong siya. What I can see here, ito yung classic case of you work hard, you play hard, you know how to enjoy your life as well, but there was this news that suddenly keep you off guarded. Ano ba ito? Somebody normally it's all about emotion and relationship. Ayan ang minsan ang ano bang proper way to say it? Despite all those successes that you have, you're still a human being basically, and you get hurt easily, and it affects the dynamics of yung ginagawa mo ngayon. So there was this spilled milk in front of you. I don't think ikaw ito eh. I think you are part of this energy na somebody surrounding you always. Ito yung tawag ko na whiny or miser mentality. Because despite the fact na ito siyang nagsisintir sa black hole na wala yung tasa na tapon, pero hindi nila nakita yung offer. There's also another offer. Ito yan, no? Okay? Which is way better than natapon. And that cause a lot of heartache and pain. It affects the dynamics. I think this is the energy of you na you are on the top of your you're just happy with what you have and what basically you're doing. You're very pragmatic until you have that news, kung ano man yun. If it's related to mga chismis, or kasama na rin siguro yun. That's how I can say, like, that's how it plays here. That's how I can see it here. This is different from that heartache here. Maybe it's a spillover. Kung ano man yung what causes you, kung ikaw ito, na you, you, you work so hard, ano, tipong, nag-focus ka na lang sa what are the 3D, that can help you to achieve your dreams. Okay, there is always this two dimension in our world. Kung ano yung 3D, ito yung material things and happiness, because we need to comply with the dictates of the law of the lands, but at the same time you are also dreaming of, let's say, scaling your business. Okay, what's happening on the side, your abstract, your mindset working on the creation aspect of the business, o kung ano man ito. If you are doing something, there are also elements of the day-to-day that affects your dynamics. Yun yung sinasabi ko, na you're so focused on that growth, kung ano man yung growth na niluluto mo, and you can easily get distracted with these small things. What is the best way to describe it? It's not a small thing, and we just use it. Okay, small thing, mga maliliit na mga bagay. Okay, this maliliit na mga bagay, idea or whatsoever, na it can spin you out of your vortex somehow, and it affects you and can drive you nuts as well. This also happening in your surrounding, because there are people around you also who may or may not be supportive of what you are doing. Sometimes if you're on the element of the magician in this energy, masyadong the expectation can be very high, and not everybody can relate to that type of energy. Your spinning web of creativity, very fluid, and that can cause strain to any relationship or the dynamics of the family or whatsoever, and that somehow affects you, and you still keep spinning your what you believe in, which is for you, which is something that will makes you fulfilled. I don't see anything that you are not fulfilled. I think you are that's what I say, you are very pragmatic and very realistic type of person who believes in just creating. That's what you were born with. So there's just only this energy of mismatch. So you that's where the pain, pero I think you already cut loose of this one. Is that happening? Meron bang ganyan, Sagittarius? You are wailing. I'm not so sure if this is you or somebody else or both of you, or in the dynamics na merong kasing nawala eh. Merong nawala. Is it a lost business or something? Or somebody left? If somebody just, somebody passed away. That's how I can sense it. yun ang nakikita ko sa sa message dito. Um, it's all about grieving, and you're not really grieving because you are working on something. It's or is grieving as your way to create. It can be that way. It can be in several ways of interpretation. You are manifesting, you are creating, and somehow it affects the dynamics. Or after the loss and the depression, you're starting to create and manifest because that's the way how you escape it. That's the way how you escape it. Every new idea you just want to, for you it's a new adventure. It's how you escape it because there's escape. Somebody's escaping here and ending something. And this looks like a cycle of never ending escaping. Okay? Meron bang ganoon, Sagittarius? So, ano ba ang angle ng but that's how it's playing here on the cards. Tingnan natin ko pa tayo ng ng storyline. So I'm just curious about what caused this separation and heartache. I don't have the manifestation of working towards something and creating. That's very obvious. But why is that so that it becoming like too, ano ba yun, too addictive? That's how to naging less emotion na manhid. Tignan natin kung pa tayo. Sagittarius, tignan natin. This is interesting. What causes you to become the magician? Is it your escape route because you're running away from the pain, or that's the one that trigger? Yes, you just want to be happy as far as everything goes. Everybody's full wish fulfillment because as far as the 3D world in terms of level of financial success or the value that we need to survive on the earth, yung practicality, alam mo yan eh. You are there, but there's the vacuum of that wish fulfillment that you are longing, hinahanap mo siya. So I think that naging escape route mo yung to create and to be more rich. Again, relative yung pagiging rich or mayaman, depends sa atin po yan. So meron mga ganyan, Sagittarius, and you've been moving so fast towards the sun. If that's the meaning of your success, then be it. Okay, we all have different definition of what success to each and every one of us. So I think this is the universe telling you that what you're doing is also correct. It's and nobody's judging you for doing that. Yeah, very sana all. So this is all about success and your escape. Sa negosyo ganyan yan. You have the exit strategy. And you have and for you, it's Sagittarius, it's very clear what is your escape route. You can go this way or that way, left or right, but at the end of the day you will reach what you want to achieve for, which is your sun. Or you're already in the sun right now. You have the full visibility. You're just being affected by the whatever causes this pain, or this can be malalim ang pinanggalingan, maaring nakaraan. But I don't see it's not something nakaraan. I think it's a part of during the time that you are transitioning, because you are so busy, preoccupied with a lot of things for your success. and you just need to be careful on who to share it with. Yeah, very nice. So that's August 22 to 31 Sagittarius. Kuha lang ako ng ng isang oracle card. Let's say yung oracle card na moon phase. Tingnan natin ako ano yung message. I like this one. Yung different phase ng moon, merong meaning. So, tingnan natin kung anong message for Sagittarius. Waxing moon. Ano sabi dito? Now is a good time to focus on achieving your own personal goals. Okay? So, kaya ka, ito na, nag-alchemy ka eh. Is this for your personal goals? Yeah. So, personal goal is to achieve that you already have your wish fulfillment, and your goal is to have that sun under your on your hands. Tama ba? Okay, that's very powerful. This is huge. Yeah, I wonder what it is, Sagittarius. So share mo sa amin yan. Shout out kung this is something beautiful, something. This is very like ito yung um, ito yung mga electric vehicle car. So this is something na hindi ito pichi-pichi na invention or something. Okay, it can, again, it's different from sa ating but it's coming from a very deep connection. That's why you are fighting for that one. Ito yung mga invention that can change the world, you know, can help the world. Yeah, focus on achieving your dream, your personal goals, whatever dream that is. Yes, Sagittarius, August 22 to 31. Maraming salamat po. See you again.